If you're getting the SteamTools cloud status, unable to sync error in your Steam library, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few methods you can try to fix the cloud sync problem. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully, and let's get started. First, let's try restarting Steam and checking the Steam cloud settings. Open Steam and click Steam in the top left corner. Now select Settings. From the left side, select Cloud. If Enable Steam Cloud is turned on, temporarily turn it off. After that, go to the Downloads section. Select Clear Download Cache. Confirm the action and let Steam clear the cache. Steam may restart or ask you to sign in again. Once Steam opens, check your library and see if the cloud status is working correctly. If you're still getting the same problem, the next thing you can try is temporarily checking Windows security. Open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection arrow. Manage Settings. Temporarily disable real-time protection. Now launch Steam again and check whether the cloud status changes. If this doesn't help, turn Windows Security Protection back on. Next, you can try changing your network connection. Open your browser and download Cloudflare Warp from the official Cloudflare website. Install it on your PC and open the application. Connect to Warp and then restart Steam. Now check whether Steam Cloud is able to sync. If you're still experiencing the problem, you can also check whether SteamTools itself is up to date. Open PowerShell as administrator and use the update command provided by the SteamTools source you're following. Run the command and allow the update to finish. After the update completes, restart Steam and check the cloud status again. If the issue still remains, use the additional SteamTools repair command provided by the same source and restart Steam after it finishes. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped you fix the SteamTools cloud status unable to sync problem.